Hello everyone, this is Barker Technical Solution and I am Firdaus Rahman. In this video we are going to see how to download the Arduino IDE and install it. So first let's go into any internet browser and search for Arduino and hit enter. Click on the first link and on top you will see a section called software. Click on it. Here you can see the latest version of Arduino IDE 1.8.19. In the download option, click on the Win 7 and newer option and then click on just download. Let's wait for it to download it. After the download has finished, find it in your file, then double click on it. Click I agree, click next, then install, and it will be start to install. The installation is finished. Close it and click on the shortcut. Here you can see the Arduino IDE is starting and there is the interface. So thank you for watching the video.